Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 68 Plymouth Sport Satellite. This is an AM-8 track converted to an AM-FM 8-track. This comes from Tom in Onalaska, Wisconsin, and Tom has requested just the standard internal conversion to add FM, and he's requested that we wire the conversion to his original connectors, which means he doesn't get that big increase in output power, but he does have FM. And the radio just plugs right back in and it's ready to go with no wiring. So I've got it set to AM at the moment, to the one strong station I get, so let's turn it on.
Yeah, you can save a ton and like it better.
Make sure things
Imagine
work.
being happy with how you're taking care of your health care.
Okay.
So if you're self-employed,
balance right.
Gig economy, or you just want to play
balance
and
right.
happy with, you can call right now and get a price within 2
right
minutes.
and left.
Very smart use of 2 minutes.
Okay, I'm going to center them.
888-SHARE-19.
Alrighty. Now we're going to... Okay, let's go over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just go down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Que crezcamos en este tiempo de Cuaresma.
The management or staff. Individuals residing in Arizona.
That's higherprice.com and
This in December.
Membership eligibility and product restrictions.
For my day one,
Helicopter pilot.
All-wheel drive.
now I'm only for
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Okay, end of a song there. Okay, turn it up, no crosstalk between songs. Proper head adjustment.
I don't believe a word that now above 7 days we didn't stay in.
Alrighty. Okay, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And I've already tested the dial light, and so we know that works. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm probably ready to have some lunch here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and you've just seen how I can add FM to your original AM radio. And if you want even more fancy features, we can do Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio, and every conversion gets an aux input at no additional charge. That's just an automatic part of the my automatic part of my conversion. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Tom, for your business all the way from Onalaska, Wisconsin, and we'll see you guys next time.